On average, each person in the United States generates about 1,790 pounds of trash per year. The population of the United States is about 3.3 times 10 to the power of 8. About how much trash does the entire population of the United States generate per year? Okay, it kind of seems like they gave us that number, no? About how much trash does the entire population of the United States. So they've given us how much each person generates. So let's write some of this down. Let's take notes. Each person is equal to 1,790 pounds of garbage. And then the total population of the United States is about 3.3 times 10 to the power of 8, or 33 with 7 zeros. We want to know how much total garbage there is in the country. That's a T. Might not look like it. How much total? So right, if each person has that much trash, and there's this many people, we could multiply these numbers to get a total. So 3.3 times 10 to the power of 8 times this. I mean, you might just want to do this all on your calculator once you get that far, and realizing that if this represents one person and this is the total amount of people, you could just multiply to find the total for the country. So 3.3 times 10 to the power of 8. And we're going to multiply that by 1,790. And that gives me 59,070,000,000. I'm going to put some commas in here to make it more readable. So I think from here you really could just check A, B, C, D, and C, which ones equal our answer. The actual way of putting this number into scientific notation is, scientific notation always starts with a number lower than 10, like between 1 and 9. So I'm going to make this 5.907 blah 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 blah. 7's the last significant digit, so I'm going to only include these numbers from 5 to 7, and then you'll see. So 5.907. And so now to deal with all of those zeros after it, we do times 10 to the power of, and when the number was huge, the decimal was here, so I need to count the amount of spaces the decimal moved to get over here. Don't count the zeros. That's it works sometimes, but it's kind of a trap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the exponent should be 11 because we moved the decimal 11 spaces. So the answer is option